Hi friends, you might have heard about the ultra luxury project launched by M3M in Noida Sector 94. Today we are going to discuss about the current scenario of that project. The project name is M3M The Cullinan. The Cullinan means the world's largest uncut diamond, but now polished and is a part of British Royal Collection. So the name is very fancy. The location of this project is Sector 94 Noida. It lies in the beginning of Noida-Greater Noida Expressway. Even its distance from Delhi is less than 1 kilometer. So technically this project is 0 kilometer from Delhi. There are high-end luxury residential and commercial projects in the vicinity, and there is a quick connection to Sarita Vihar, Defence Colony and Friends Colony, etc. The total land parcel of this project is 12.86 acres. This is a decent sized plot. So the developer and the architect have a freedom to plan gap between the towers, plan sufficient green areas and a lot of amenities and features in the project. This is a two-side open plot which is usually good for cross ventilation and proper sunlight. It is a mixed land use project, means residential plus commercial. इस project के bottom 3 floors will be commercial and rest of the floors will be residential. So it will be more expensive than a pure residential project. Even it is going to be one of the most expensive and luxurious project in Noida. The principal architect of this project is DPA Architect Singapore. इन्होंने दुबई मॉल, सीनो सिंगापुर सिटी एंड सिंगापुर स्पोर्ट्स हब जैसी बहुत ही एडवांस लेवल की डेवलपमेंट्स प्लान की हैं. सो आप इस प्रोजेक्ट में भी बहुत एडवांस लेवल की डेवलपमेंट एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इस प्रोजेक्ट में आपको ओनली 372 रेजिडेंशियल यूनिट्स मिलती हैं ऑन अ लैंड पार्सल ऑफ 12.86 एकर्स. दैट कम्स टू 29 यूनिट्स पर एकड़, विच इज़ वेरी लीस्ट डेंस. बिकॉज सेक्टर 150 नोएडा में भी आपको 65 to 100 अपार्टमेंट्स पर एकड़ मिलते हैं. देयर आर ओनली 5 रेजिडेंशियल टावर्स इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट ऑन अ लैंड पार्सल ऑफ 12.86 acres. So you can imagine the amount of cross ventilation and sunlight you will get in this project. So every unit will be a corner unit. There will be huge green area of 5.5 acres in this project. There are some already competitor projects of this project in Noida like ATS Night Bridge, County 107 and Gulshan Dynasty. This project is 0 kilometer from Delhi, so the location of this project is best of the best in Noida. And no other project in Noida can match its location apart from ATS Night Bridge. The construction partner in this project will be L&T or Shapurji Palanji. So you do not need to worry about the construction of a house, because जो लोग देश की सबसे बड़ी डेवलपमेंट्स कर रहे हैं वो आपका घर तो आसानी से बना ही देंगे. There will be a mall and a high street retail on bottom 3 floors of this project, where international brands will be there, so your family can do shopping and go for dinner anytime without the hassle of the traffic. You will get Olympic sized swimming pool at such an expensive location in this project. You will enjoy 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse, which is going to be one of the biggest and most luxurious in Noida. You will enjoy a mall and a high street retail view from your balcony itself. Top 10 school in entire Noida are just 15 minutes from here. Now look at the background of M3M developer. It is the largest developer in North India. It has 3,000 acres of land parcel and it has a portfolio of 45 iconic projects, which is very impressive. Now let's talk about the sizes and prices in this project. The basic sales price of a residential unit in this project is 21,000 per square feet, and sizes starts from 3,200 square feet for 3.5 BHK, 4,300 square feet for 4.5 BHK and 6,000 square feet for 5.5 BHK. Possession of this project will be given in 3 years and the payment plans will be 10-90 or 30-40-30. Now the main purpose of making this video again on this project is the current commercial investment opportunity in this project. Let's suppose you invest in a 80 lakh shop in this project. So according to the payment plan 40-60, you have to pay 32 lakh now and 48 lakh at the time of possession. But they offer you 12% assured return on investment amount from the day one. So if you want your assured return to be adjusted against your 40% payment upfront, so you have to pay 25 lakh now and 48 lakh at the time of possession. And M3M is expecting 50% appreciation at the time of possession. So suppose you have invested in a 80 lakh shop, it will be of 1.20 CR at the time of possession. So you will get 40 lakh appreciation on 25 lakh investment. So if you want a smooth exit at that time, you can take it. Otherwise, you can continue with the balance payment of 48 lakhs and enjoy minimum guarantee of 55,000 per month rent, which is 9% ROI, which is very awesome. So this is it for today, friends. Please connect with me for further inquiry and deals in this project. And how do you like this video? Please let me know in the comment box. And if you like this video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel to see the next hot project in Noida. See you in the next video, friends. Bye bye.